Welcome to the application copy feature video created by the Adoption Readiness tool. Deployment Automation 622 gives us the ability to copy entire applications. This video will demonstrate both the standard and deep copy options. First, the standard copy function. Both standard and deep copies have been created from the App1 application. Let's take a look at them. We have made a change to the component process in the standard application copy. Let's see how this impacts the original App1 application. The standard application copy uses the existing components from the original source application App1. Let's take a look at the deep copy. The deep application copy is not impacted by the changes because it created a brand new copy of the original application component. This concludes our look at the new application copy function.